How do you future-proof your digital experiences? My name is Casper. I work at Enonic and I'm here to help you build better customer journeys. Future-proofing your digital experiences is key to staying on top in a fast-moving world. From optimizing your website to maximizing your marketing strategy, what you do today can have a huge effect on your success tomorrow. And it doesn't have to be difficult. In this 3-part video series, I will walk you through the best ways to supercharge your customers' digital experiences now and in the future. Your website is the virtual equivalent of your office, and just like you might want to impress clients with pot plants, coffee machines, and high-tech boardrooms, your site needs to work hard to offer customers value. More than just a host for your content, a website should be at the heart of the customer journey, providing content, services, and ongoing support every step of the way. And all of this doesn't have to cost the earth. Be savvy about your website, and you'll find that this relatively low-cost channel can repay you in so many ways. Why not reuse content and services from your website for other solutions like a mobile app? Or if you want to start small, simply let your web presence grow with you. Agile, efficient, and exciting. Your website has the potential to become the go-to hub for your digital experiences. Do reach out if you have any questions on today's video, and for the next one in the series, I will show you how to stand out in a noisy online space, so it's exciting times. Make sure you subscribe to the Enonic YouTube channel to get the alert when we publish the next one, and see you later. Bye bye.